नमस्कार, मैं रोहित। आप देख रहे हैं संसदवाणी न्यूज़।
Friends, we've requested Tiger to just have a question answer session, but my very humble request is that the question answers have to be just confined for environment. इस विषय के आगे टाइगर्स को फिल्म्स के लिए आप लोगों ने बहुत बार इंटरव्यू किया होगा, आप लोगों ने बहुत बाइट्स ली होगी, लेकिन चूंकि इस बार एक अलग काम के लिए एक अलग विषय को लेके ये आए, तो कृपया करके पर्यावरण से संबंधित जो भी प्रश्न हो वो ही किया जाए, अन्यथा वो विषय हम यहाँ ले नहीं सकते, क्योंकि इट्स लिटिल इट इज कन्फाइंड टू एनवायरमेंट। ये जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है सिर्फ पर्यावरण से संबंधित है, तो आप जो पूछना चाहे प्रश्न टाइगर जी को पर्यावरण से संबंधित प्रश्न करें। धन्यवाद।
So I will pass on the mic, and as Mr. Bamla said, just please keep it to afforestation and धरती की बातें करते हैं, हरी भरी बातें करते हैं, and that's it. Nothing apart from that. So yeah, my media friend.
सबसे पहले तो भामला फाउंडेशन को और यहाँ पर जितने भी डिग्नेटरीज हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई, कंग्रेचुलेशंस। टाइगर, माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू, योर एसोसिएशन विद भामला फाउंडेशन, एज आसिफ भाई सेड, योर डैड 15 साल पहले जुड़े थे और आप वो लेगेसी को थोड़ा आगे लेके जा रहे हैं, तो हाउ डज इट फील taking this legacy ahead, and something about the environment, like what would you really love to work on, any particular project of it?
Very, very thankful to Asif ji for having me a small part of this campaign, and privileged to be amongst all these esteemed guests. I don't want to pat myself on the back of being the face of this initiative or anything, because I think it's a no-brainer. I think each one of us are responsible for our planet's future, and climate change is rampant. Climate change is real. It's the immediate threat. I know we're all very, caught up on Corona right now as well. We're doing a very good job fighting, being responsible citizens. But I think the bigger picture right now is the environment as well is, climate change is the need of the hour. The attention to that is the need of the hour as well. So very, very happy that you have me on board for this, and will do my best to make a difference, a small change. I mean, it starts in our house, guys. By switching off the lights, saving water, just trying to be responsible. Each one of us have the power in our own houses to make a difference. So really, it's not about just planting one tree. I think what's amazing is the whole concept of afforestation, where we get to plant complete, full, lush forests rather than just one sapling. I think it's time to do these things in bulk, and it's not just about our country. I think it's about the whole world and our whole planet. So thank you once again for having me on board, sir.
Thank you. Can I have the next question, please? Yeah. Please pass the mic for the picture.
Hi, Tiger.
Hi.
So it's Priyanka here. So I would just want to say, talking on environment, so we can save the pollution and all, so how come cycling is a very good exercise?
Cycling is a very good exercise?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, why
so
not?
you can promote cycling also with the MMA.
I mean, sure, yeah, that makes perfect sense, yeah. Cycling, walking, especially if the distance from your house to your work or wherever you want to go to is close by, then why not? That's a good point, yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much. Can I have the next question, please?
टाइगर, पर्यावरण की जो हालत देश में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, कितनी चिंता की बात है। अगर हम नहीं संभले और हमने उस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो कितना वरी करती है ये चीज़ आपको, कितने कंसर्न है आप इससे कि बदलाव आना चाहिए और पर्यावरण पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान, खासकर आज के यूथ को जो इतना अवेयर नहीं है, जो अपनी ही दुनिया में रहता है, उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग ध्यान दें।
Awareness तो काफ़ी है, everybody's educated. It's all about converting that education and that into practicality, and actually doing the action of going out there and making a difference. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, it starts in your house. So the smallest things you do in your house, whether it's saving your electricity, saving water, minimizing the usage of all these things, I think it's really going to benefit us in the long run.
टाइगर, जहाँ पर एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है तो देश भर में 100 करोड़ लोग वैक्सीनेटेड हो गए हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि कान्हा का ये कामयाबी हासिल हुई है?
बिल्कुल सर, एंड आई थिंक इसी तरह अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर भी इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक यू नो पीपल आर अवेयर, पीपल आर डूइंग फॉलोइंग थ्रू विद द रूल्स एंड बीइंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आई थिंक व्हाई नॉट अप्लाई द सेम थिंग फॉर आवर एनवायरनमेंट.
हाय टाइगर. टाइगर, जब हम ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. हम सोसाइटी में अलग तरीके से देखे जाते हैं, जाने जाते हैं, और अक्सर हमने सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखा है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा तो बनते हैं बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाते खुद को. तो आप कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मानते हैं कि आप इस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बढ़ जाती है इनिशिएटिव के बाद?
सर जितना मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ उतना ही आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो. आप भी रह रहे पृथ्वी में, यू नो वे ऑल members of this planet Earth, and I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this planet to really look after our planet in every small way we can, and the small things make a very big difference collectively. So yeah.
And yes, you will see the difference when Tiger is there. Afforestation, arboriforest in Mumbai city is a challenging job, but obviously Tiger Shroff being the face is going to be a lot of change in the temperature of Mumbai actually, where we have these small patches which is going to be converted into urban forest, and colleges like National College Jamnabai have been part of it already, and this campaign goes for years. It's just not one day or a 1 month or a 6-month campaign. It's a whole long thing, and obviously small things like Tiger, you said, it's very important actually, because we have good numbers. India is the population, the number of India, and everyone doing little bit will bring a lot of change. And for that, I think Tiger is the one to take this particular thing. Now, I would... any more questions?
I always say that we've borrowed this planet from the future generations in a way. And the millennials, they are very concerned because हमारे पूर्वजों ने मुझे याद है ये जैकी जी की बात कि उन्होंने आई डोंट नो इफ आई सेंट यू दिस ऑल्सो कि भाई ये बिड़ू, ये पर्यावरण है, इसको हमें संभालना है, अच्छे से रखना है, टाइगर के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए संभाल के रखना है. सो दैट सेज इट ऑल. I mean, our predecessors have given us this entire environment in a very nice and a very healthy and a congenial way. Are we going to give it back? Are we in a position to give it back to them in a similar way? And let me tell you, there is a very large concern amongst the millennials because उन्हें इस पर्यावरण में, इस धरती पे ज़्यादा रहना है, तो उन्हें इसकी चिंता बहुत है. और हम ये देखते हैं कि अभी जैसे अभी कल हमारा एक बीच क्लीनिंग ड्राइव हो रहा है कार्टर रोड पर. हम सिर्फ अनाउंस करते हैं और बीच क्लीनिंग के लिए अगर आप देखें तो 500 वॉलंटियर्स जमा हो जाते हैं. हमें कोई किसी को निमंत्रण न्योता देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो कहने की बात यह है कि जो अगला जो जनरेशन है ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न है, और चूँकि ये नौजवानों के लिए हमें एक ऐसा रोल मॉडल चाहिए था जो जिनको who people can look up to. So when we discussed, there was no better and no bigger face than Tiger. So we are happy that he's part of it. And I think now Tiger has to leave. So last एक question जिसको पूछना है वो करने के बाद Tiger will unveil the campaign and then he'll say a few words and leave. Please.
Okay, I think we're done with the question, and I request Mr. Asif Bamla, Seher, to please come on stage and give a small sapling to Mr. Eric Solem. Seher, to please come on stage and sapling. Yes. And Asif bhai, it's youth against youth. So I would request Seher to please present this small sapling to Tiger Shroff as well. And Asif bhai also please join the president. Yeah, just be there only, sir. I would request Seher to please present small sapling.
Recycling saplings?
Very popular Mr. R. Balki ji. And do the opportunity of giving a plant to Megha Tata ji. Well, a guest from Norway. Seher, do the honors for Mr. Flolo, giving him a small sapling. There it is. There, Seher. And And just one request, if you just hold the sapling, let's have a nice photo op with saplings in your hand. It would really create, you know, for the media. And the message actually, urban forest is, this is, जैसे टाइगर ने कहा कि हम अपने घर से शुरुआत करते हैं, ये हम झाड़ अपने घर पे रखेंगे. We get some, you know, breathe out of it, some good oxygen out of it. So this photo, sir, you also hold one. So pick up the white one, yes. Yeah. Yeah, and now I request Tiger Shroff ji to please unveil this entire campaign on afforestation and urban forest. A small placard to be unveiled. I would request Mr. Eric Solom and Tiger ji to please open the knot and Asif, just open the knot. So big round of applause for, I think there is two, there's one more. So अब हर जगह झाड़ लगेगा और जब झाड़ लगेगा तो बहुत सारे झाड़ लगेंगे, सिर्फ एक झाड़ नहीं लगेगा. This is what the pledge we take today. Tiger being the campaign, the Bamla Foundation, the entire team, the patron of the Bamla Foundation will find the spot and will make sure that we give.
देश व दुनिया की खबरों के लिए देखते रहें संसद वाणी और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि हम जो भी मुद्दा उठाएं वह आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे.